exceeded my expectations. Good on you. So many guards, so little time. But please.
The men are burning like a lot of blather. Think a girl who got us is a bore. Yes, Atlantis must prefer for ladies not to say a word. And after all, dear, what is that a battle for? They're not all that impressed with conversation. True gentlemen avoid it when they can, but they don't insert it fun on ladies who withdrawn. It's she who holds her tongue who gets a man. Unfortunate souls, go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy person and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much. Just your voice. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. If you wanna cross the Christmas, you've gotta pay the toll. Take a gulp, take a breath, go ahead, sign the scroll. Nikki, Kevin, now I got our boys and bosses on a roll. You poor unfortunate souls, in pain, in need. This one longing to be there, and this one wants to get the girl. Do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to me crying, will you help us bring it, please? And I help them, yes I do. No poor unfortunate souls.
Release a filament that could only be burned away by the glow of a flight man. Hiccup will come to know that his carelessness will cause every dragon on Earth to be slaughtered and sold, including his Night Fury.